In today's rapidly evolving financial landscape, understanding how to leverage powerful platforms like Kraken is your gateway to the future of digital assets. This comprehensive guide will walk you through every essential step of using Kraken, from setting up your account and verifying your identity to confidently trading, staking, and exploring all the advanced features this leading exchange has to offer. First, let's get you set up. Navigate to Kraken.com and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a strong password, and choose a unique username. Ensure you use a secure password and consider a password manager. Once you've submitted your basic details, you'll need to verify your account for full access. Kraken offers different verification tiers, each unlocking greater features and higher trading limits. Start with the basic verification by providing your name, address, and date of birth. For higher tiers, you'll need to upload a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and potentially a proof of residence document. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Clear, well-lit photos are crucial for a smooth process. With your account verified, it's time to fund it. Kraken supports a variety of funding methods, including direct bank transfers, wire transfers, and even depositing existing cryptocurrencies from other wallets. Choose the option that best suits your needs and location. Now for the exciting part: trading. Navigate to the Trade section. You'll see a user-friendly interface with a price chart, an order book showing current buy and sell orders, and clear buy and sell buttons. Select your desired cryptocurrency pair. Enter the amount you wish to trade and choose your order type. Market orders execute immediately, while limit orders allow you to set a specific price. Beyond trading, Kraken allows you to earn passive income through staking. Head to the staking section and explore the range of cryptocurrencies you can stake. Simply select your preferred asset, and Kraken handles the rest, securely locking your funds to help support the network and earning you rewards. For the more experienced traders, Kraken Pro offers an enhanced trading experience with advanced charting tools, more order types, and deeper market insights. Explore this section to unlock its full potential. Security is paramount in the account settings. Ensure you enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an extra layer of protection. Browse through other security features like API key management and address whitelisting. These are vital for safeguarding your assets. If you ever need assistance, Kraken's comprehensive support center is readily available. Access FAQs, helpful articles, and various contact methods to resolve any queries you may have. By mastering these steps, you're well on your way to confidently navigating and utilizing the powerful features of Kraken, your portal to the exciting world of cryptocurrency.